diagram, heart diagram, I want to explain three topics. First one is parts of the circulatory system, next is parts of the heart, and the third one topic is blood flow or cardiac cycle. So when you come to the first part of the circulatory system, the circulatory system mainly contains three parts: heart, blood vessels and blood. You know about the already about the heart. We'll go for the first one, heart. So when you come to the mammalian heart has four chambers. So the four chambers are, when you observe this diagram, the four chambers and six blood vessels. So let us see that four chambers. So first two upper two chambers are the right auricle and left auricle, and lower two chambers are called right ventricle and left ventricle. So always the heart, all these chambers, always the right side flows the impure blood and the left side flows the pure blood. That means the heart contains, the right side is impure blood and left side is pure blood. Okay. Now when you come to the blood vessels, so there are six types of blood vessels are here. Six blood vessels are there. Two major arteries. These two are the two major arteries and two major veins, and this is the two major veins and one pair of pulmonary veins. Okay. So two major arteries, two major veins and two pulmonary veins. Okay. So these are the six blood vessels are there. So next, when you come to blood vessels, the second one is the blood vessels. Heart mainly contains four chambers and six blood vessels. And when you come to here blood vessels, so blood vessels are three types: arteries, capillaries and veins. So arteries, veins and capillaries, these are the three types of blood vessels. So what do they contain? When you come to here, what are the main difference between the arteries and veins, and what do they carry the blood? Which type of blood is flow through the arteries and veins? And next, third one is blood. So here we'll go again arteries and capillaries and veins. So when you come to arteries, first of all, the arteries are the blood vessels which always carry the pure blood, except pulmonary artery. That means the pulmonary artery carries the impure blood. Again I repeat, the arteries always carry pure blood except the pulmonary artery. Next, veins carry always impure blood. Always they carry the impure blood except pulmonary vein. So these points are very important because they when you remember these functions of the arteries and veins, you can understand well the direction of the flow of the blood in the heart. How do they carry on? So here the veins always carry the impure blood except the pulmonary vein. Now what about the capillaries? Capillaries are nothing but very minute blood vessels. Very minute blood vessels which connects the arteries and veins. So the heart is not directly connected to the body organs. Heart is connected to the body organs or cells through the arteries and veins. And these arteries, they are divided into arterioles. Okay, arteries are divided into arterioles. Then arterioles divided into still minute blood vessels which are nothing but capillaries. Next, veins. So when the capillaries join, they will form the venules. These capillaries, they form the venules, and these venules join to form the veins. That means the arteries carry the pure blood, distribute the pure blood to the arterioles, and arterioles to the capillaries, from the capillaries to the body organs, and from the body organs the wastes are carried by the capillaries again, and these capillaries join to form the venules, venules to veins. So that is the, you can say that these capillaries are nothing but a connecting link, or they joins the pure blood to the cells, and they again takes away the impure blood from the cells to the heart. So that is about the blood vessels. And you know already the blood, so you go through the once blood tissue in 9th class it is given. So once you go through it, that they contain plasma and cells. Our cells are the RBC, WBC and platelets, and plasma is the fluid part in which the blood cells are flow. Next class will next video I will tell about the blood flow, how it flows in the heart.